how to use AnyDesk in laptop. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to use AnyDesk on your laptop. Alright, so let's begin. So first of all, go to anydesk.com on your browser. After that, click on download now to download the AnyDesk application. Choose your device like Windows and wait for the download to finish. Then open the AnyDesk app. You'll see your unique address which you need to share with others to request access. Before sharing, click on Invite to set your permissions. You can choose a profile like default to see what permissions you want to allow. If you want to customize permissions, click on More and adjust the boxes according to what you want to give access to. Set your invite duration to 2 minutes and send your AnyDesk ID or alias to the person you want to connect with. Now, once you set your permissions, you can paste their address into the bar to connect. If they have a password set, you'll need that to access their device. If they accept your request, you'll be in control of their device right away. If the other person has multiple monitors, you can switch between them by clicking on the screen options in the top right corner. So that's basically how you can use AnyDesk on your laptop. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.